Hello, this is me Ayesha Rashid and you are watching Ayesha Beauty Secrets. Today J Dot Perfume 5-in-1 box review in front of you. I bought it from J Dot in 3500 rupees. In this gift box 5 essence are available named as Citrine, Fruity, Topaz, Fresh, Floral, Emerald, Fruity, Ruby, Floral, Sapphire, Fresh, Fruity. What it is. The everlasting elegance of gems joined the timeless grace of fragrances. Citrine is a bold composition with a sensual and gourmet scent. It opens with a fruity mix of lychee, golden quid, and kiwi. The provocative herb is composed of a fearless amalgamation of jasmine and white chocolate. The base combines orris root musk with wood. Ours is a fragrance set for a fun-loving woman who enjoys the cheerful blend of fruity and floral scents. It starts off with a blend of pear, orange and peaches, then showcase honeysuckle, orange blossom and peach. Finally settle down to form a honey, vanilla and ruby base. Ruby is a powerful interpretation of a rosy fragrance. Its mysterious rose and begins with pear, emerald seed and grapefruit. The core of this masterpiece comprises Turkish rose absolute of crayon and fresh plums laid on the basis of patchouli white musk. In emerald is the real treat for those who find sour cherry scent close to their heart. It truly stimulates the sense of imagination. It is inspired by the French landscape by cycling through orchards, picking cherries in summer full of fun and enjoyment in life. Sapphire and Gerard is as precious as the name suggests. It begins with freshly shaken and emerald seed that led to the rich floral heart of creamy iris and intense autumn scent. Sweet and affectionate, the creation blends notes of sour cherry with marshmallow and sandalwood.